What's up guys, it's No More BMX Josh here, and today I'm going to teach you how to foot gym nose hop. A few things you're going to know how to need to do is how to jam your foot in the fork, so I'm going to get my bike. Just do a normal foot jam, just go. And then do your stuff. But this is a really scary trick when you're first learning it. So I recommend just starting out at a slow speed. Don't go real fast because you might flip. But anyways, how to do the foot jam nose hop. You do like you're going to do a regular foot jam, okay? You put your foot in the fork. You put it in there as far as you can, by the way. Put it in there a little bit harder so it doesn't come out. You just go. You kind of push forward with the bars a little bit and kind of scoop with your foot so you can like get the back tire up high. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna hop like that. You're just gonna pull up with your leg and your arms. But yeah, I'm gonna do one real fast. Anyways, that one was okay. It wasn't too good, but that's how to foot jam nose hop. And I'm gonna do it again. So that one kind of suck. Alright, that one was pretty good. But anyways, just keep on trying and eventually you'll get it and then you'll feel like you're on top of the world. Make sure your pedals are tight though, because sometimes they might come loose when you do fakies. So, bye. Yeah, Mama.